Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we will explore sentiment analysis in Python. Let's get started. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is a technique in natural language processing that determines if a text expresses positive, negative, or neutral emotions. Companies use it to analyze social media posts, customer reviews, and brand reputations. First, we need to install the required library. We will use the text blob library for sentiment analysis. If you haven't installed it yet, run this command in your terminal. Pip install text blob. Text blob is a simple yet powerful NLP library built on top of NLTK. Import it in our script from text blob, import text blob. Make sure the T and B in caps. This imports the text blob class, which help us perform various NLP tasks, including sentiment analysis. Now, let's create a function called a sentiment underscore analysis with a set of parentheses. Inside of it, let me pass a parameter called text, which is going to be hold our input sentences. Now, let's create an object for the text blob class. Blob equal to text blob with a set of parentheses. Inside it, we have to pass our text parameter. To move on the next line, we need to understand what is sentiment score is. The sentiment score is a numerical value that represents the emotional tone of a given text. It typically ranges from -1 to 1, where -1 indicates a strongly negative sentiment, 0 indicates a neutral sentiment, and 1 indicates a strongly positive sentiment. The score is calculated using natural language processing techniques such as polarity analysis, where words and phrases are assigned sentiment values based on their meaning and context. Let's create the sentiment score. To do that, let me create a variable called sentiment underscore score equal to call the object blob dot sentiment dot polarity. Like that. This extracts the polarity score, a value ranging from -1 negative to +1 positive. The closer to 1, the more positive the text, the closer to -1, the more negative. Now, let's play with the conditional execution. If sentiment score is greater than 0, then return positive. And if sentiment score is lesser than 0, then return negative. Or else return neutral. Let's create a user input outside of the function. Here my variable name is user underscore text equal to input with a set of parentheses. Inside of it, say enter the sentence for sentiment analysis like that. Then a print function, print. We have to call our sentiment analysis function with a set of parentheses. Inside it, we have to pass our user underscore text variable. Now, let me copy this and paste it to this because I have to show you 3 examples, positive, negative, and neutral. So let me run this. To run this, Python main.py. Then first one, I love this product. Positive. It was worst experience. It may say negative. Then say B patience. Neutral. That's it for today's tutorial on sentiment analysis. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Soft Learning. And also, comment below with what project you want to see next. Thank you. Happy coding.